Hey, how are you doing, guys? My name is Nathan, and welcome to my place where ideas flourish and businesses grow. Around here, digital marketing isn't just a job, it's my passion, my craft. For over a decade, I've been diving deep into the digital marketing world, helping brands, big or small, find their voice and thrive online. It's been an incredible journey filled with SEO magic, social media wins, and a whole lot of happy clients. Working from my home office, I'm here for you full time, always ready to jump on the next challenge. Quick response? You got it. Last minute tweaks? No problem. Your success is my success, and I'm all in. Whether you're looking to capture more leads, engage your audience, or boost those conversion rates, I've got the toolbox and the know how to get you there. And yes, we're going to keep it professional every step of the way. So if you're ready to take your digital marketing to the next level, let's chat. Shoot me a message or book a time. Let's make something awesome together. Can't wait to meet you.